Yeah, good evening to everyone. Once again, welcome to Python programming. And today we are going to discuss about the modules, right? This is the base. And if you want to work in the real world projects, modules are very important. Okay. So if you know modules, you'll know the packages. If you know packages, you'll know the libraries. So you may hear that word that is what we call pandas, right? Pandas or let's take NumPy. If you are going to develop one website like PySpark, Spark, okay, these are for the web development. Okay, if you learn Python, you can go for web development, and you can add Django like that. Okay, Python is the backend programming language, and you can go for machine learning, right? And you can go for data analysis, AI, and okay, there are a lot of applications with Python. But if you want to know more about real projects, the basic for all this is Python. Okay, in Python, especially, we are going to deal with libraries. So what is the difference between library? What is the difference between library and packages and modules? Simple. So in previous classes, we have discussed about the functions, right? For example, if you take sum of a comma b, and that is take def is the keyword to create a function, and it returns, means it gives the result as a plus b. Now if you want to take another function, if you want to create another function, that is if let's take subtraction, right? Sub a comma b return a minus b. Okay, this is for summation, this is for subtraction. Now if I want to create one more function for multiplication, so let's say multiplication, right? And if I want to create division, if I want to create floor division, floor, if I want to round up for the CIL, right? All these are the functions. If I write all these functions, right, all these functions in single program, or simply this program is nothing but module. So the combination or group of functions in a single entity or a single program is called module. For example, all are mathematical. For example, CL, multiplication, division, floor division, reminder, all those are the mathematical operations, right? Simply, I can write all these functions in single program, means single Python code, and I'll name that code as madth dot py. Py is the Python extension. Right? MATH is the module. So what we do with this module? Without writing all these things, simply, if I want to add two numbers, for example, I want to add 3, 4. Wait. Yeah, sorry for the interruption. Right. So if I want to add 3, 4, okay. So instead of using again this function, simply what I'm going to do is, this is the module name or the program name or the code name. So I'll call math in that math, what you are going to do is you need to do the mathematical operation, that is sum and 3 comma 4. So how Python understands? Python goes to math. Okay, so math program or math module, then it searches for the function name. So in technical we can say method also, right? It searches and then these values will be applied to here and it gives result a plus b. So not only this, I have written CL3 here, 4, 5, 6. Not only 6, we can write multiple functions in single module. Okay, so module is nothing but the combination of group of functions, right, for a particular application. For example, if I go for mathematical analysis, then I will go for a math module. No, I want to go with some machine learning algorithms. Okay, related that I can go for something. If I want to deal with the date and time, okay, there will be some date and time module. Okay. In date and time, there are some functions. By accessing this name and that method or that function, we can do the our required operation. Okay, simply that's the module. See definition, you can look at the definition. Group of functions, group of functions, group of variables, group of classes. Classes is covered in OOPS concept. I didn't discuss that one. Okay, that's a very lengthy and a little bit confused topic, so that I didn't discuss about the classes. Okay, group of function, variables, classes saved to a file or a code or a program, which is nothing but module. So every Python.py acts as a module. For example, if I write a code and if I write some RAJ dot py, so this is module. RAJ is the module. There are two ways we can create ourselves, and there are some other users create, and that is publicly available. For example, if I want to create a model, I can create by using raj.py or simply based upon your requirement, you can name that. But there are some other people created and we have the access to use them. For example, if you take math module is already created by some user, some Python user. Okay, from the Python community. Okay, let's say community, that's the word. Okay, we can use this one. Like that, we can create our own modules, and as well as we can access some other modules which is created by others. Right. Whenever we compile that, it will be generate and it will file. There is some dot name like that. Okay, that will be discussed in further classes. Okay. Now there are multiple. In the starting of the class, I have explained what is the advantage of Python. There is a rich library. What I mean by library? Simply, now I am taking. Now this is function. This is function. This is function. This is the function. This is the function. Okay, we have multiple functions. So all the combination of function is nothing but module. So this is one module. Okay, let me clear this. Let me change that so that you'll understand clearly. This is right. This is one module. Next, I want to create one more module. What happened? Yeah, this is another module. So all the rounds are the functions. Let us assume it's functions. Okay. And we take orange. And this is another module. And let's take another module so that will be enough. This is enough. And let me, this is another module. Okay. Now let's say this is math module, this is date and time module, this is a random module, like that. And all these model, the combination of functions is module. The combination of or the group of module is nothing but package. Okay, this is one package. Okay, let me write that so that we will have clear area. This is function. If I write f, that is function. All these are f's. This is m, that is module. This is module. This is module. Okay, this is inside this function. Inside all these are functions. Now the combination or the group of modules is nothing but package. Right? If there are there are multiple packages available, let's say some right like this, and this entire the combination of what we call this is the package, right? The combination of the group of packages is nothing but one library. This is library. This is package. This is package. This is package. This is function, module, package, and library. Now you understood, right? So simply how we built a package or a library based upon one function. After that, we are going to create one module. After that, we are going to create one package. After that, combination of packages is nothing but the library. Okay, this is how we can create or we can access the functions, methods from a library, from a package, or from a module. Right now, there are multiple modules are available. So how can we access them? There are multiple ways we can access them. For example, the keyword, the main keyword is import, because someone created, okay, we need to import that in our code. Okay, there are multiple modules are there, and now I want to access them, but I don't want to write the entire code for my logic. Already some people have written the code. That code is called module. Now I want to access that module. How can I access that module? Simply a keyword is module. Sorry for that. Import. We are going to import the module name. For example, in our case, let's assume a math, right? So we can access import math. Okay, import math. Now math is available now. Math dot ceil 9.5. Ceil, what do you mean by ceil? Rounding up to nearest value, that is top value, 8 to 10. If I say, let me clear this, not like this, 9 to 10, in the value is 9.5, that is in between 9 to 10. If I see, if I say ceil means top, ceiling fan means at the top of our head, right? So 9.5 is 10. It results 10. If I write floor, then floor means this one. Okay. Like that, we'll get the output. This is one way. Import module name. Import math. Import random. Import date and time. Import pandas. Import numpy, like this. This is one way. And if I want to access, or if I want to import multiple modules, so simply again import keyword. Let's say module 1, module 2, module 3. Module 1, let's take as the previous case, we have taken math, random, date and time. Okay. Now, after accessing that, what I said, we need to write that module name and we need to access that method, that is sum or seal, like that. Okay, we need to write math. Now I don't want to write math again. For example, math is a simple 4 letters word. There are some libraries like beautiful soap, that is web scraping. This is lengthy. Again, I need to write beautiful soap. For example, if you take pandas is the 6 letters word. Okay? I don't want to type entire this. This is the time waste. Instead of that, simply I am going to give aliasing name. That is called as. So I want to access all that pandas as PD. Okay. So from PD, I can access everything. For example, if you take math, import math as M. That's it. I don't need to call again the math again. Simply M dot C. M dot sum. M dot something. This is called aliasing. AS. AS is the keyword. Okay. Just keep that in mind. Don't get confused. Yes. Import. Now, if I want to alias for multiple modules, then you can use below syntax like this. M1 module 2 as M2 module 3 as something, M3, like that. Okay. Module 1 as M1, module 2 as M2, module 3 as M3. It has missed here. Right. Now, I don't want to use all the things. For example, seal, okay, sum, division. Okay, there are multiple mathematical operations. Now I don't want, for my application, I don't want to use all those methods. Simply I want only seal. For that, what we are going to do is, I don't want all those things. Simply I want only particular. So what I'm going to do is, from that module, from math, okay, from math, import member. What is the member? Let's say C. So we are using only C or else sum. Like that, we can import that. If I want to multiple in this only, from math, import seal, floor. That's enough. I don't want more than that too. This is the another way. And of course, for that member also we can give the as. For this, instead of using all the means lengthy line, we can use simply aliasing, that is X or M or whatever it is. And this is the most popularly used, from module import star. So we can use all this. Okay, from module import, from math import all, whatever the methods or the members available on that module, import all those. right? After importing, we no need to require again write math dot sum like that. Simply we can write seal all this. I'll show you in the code. You don't worry. Now, so if I want to know, already you know this one directory. To list out what are the members available on that module, we can call dir. Dir, that module, that is math. And in programs, while you are writing, in some cases, there is a name is called underscore underscore name underscore underscore like this. So simply what it defines is the program is executing individual program or as module. So as I explained that program, for example, let me take this raj.py. Okay, this is a program, and this program can be used as module also. How can we say that? How can we know that program can be used as a module? Simply based upon this name. If the name is main, right, that is individual program. This is program, not module. Simply let me write that one code. If underscore underscore name underscore equal to main, then this is not module, this is the code. Instead of that, if you write anything, then we can say that it is executed as module. Okay, in few cases you can see them. Okay, just remember what is the underscore underscore means and how can we use that, whether it is the individual program or Python module. This is about modules. Simply I have explained what you mean by modules and definition and how can we import or the loading the module. Okay, now let's go for a few application areas. Let me close this one and I'll open Spider. I have not written any code, just want to do on the math. Now I'm going to do on the math module. Now, so import math. And now import math or from import, sorry, from math import all. All means star. Same thing is available in SQL. I hope those who are familiar with SQL, then you can say select star from employee like that. Star means all in this code. So remember all those things. See, this star is used for multiple applications. That is called polymorphism concept. Polymorphism means an operator can be used for the multiple application. This is used for the multiplication symbol, right? And this is used for the repetition for the string. And the same star is, you can see that arguments args, and the same for all modules are the all members. Based upon the situation and application, we can use according to our need. Now import math executed. Of course, this is also valid. Okay, we can use only one of them, import math. Now, what are the members or the methods available in math module? Directory math. Let me execute this one. Okay, these are related for mathematical. Everything is available. You can check here name. right? Already I have told you now. These are by default generated by the system or the interpreter, right? So a cos h, hyperbolic, sin h, tan 2, tan h, seal, copy sign, cos h, degrees. Okay, so let me move down. We can see here floor factorial. Yesterday we have designed factorial in the recursive function, right? GCT, right? Is sign up, is none, LCM, log 10 base 2, and power pi value. Let's check math dot pi. Let me execute this. 3.14 pi value. You know pi value, right? Pi 22/7. Okay. Now, instead of if I write instead of that pi, it will not get. It is executed, right? Why? Okay, import pi math, right? Okay. Now, if I write floor value. So floor 4.7. Have you observed? 4. If I write seal 4.7, same value. You can check here. 4 means down or floor. Seal means top. Top value, it will be reached to top value. SQRT, square root. Math.r is SQRT of what value? Let's say 144. Square root of 144. That is 12. We know that. Okay. You can do multiple method. You can use multiple methods, and you can know the result. Whatever the things technology is in. And what else you have? I never tried with all these. Let's see cos 60 minus let's say cos pi minus 1, cos 90. Pi means cos 90, cos pi by 2. It must use 0, I think. Oops. Negative. Now I think it's not in radians. Right? You can try different things. So here what we are going to do is log 10. Log 10 of 6 0. Log 10 base 10. What's the value? I think it must be 1. Yes. Exponential. Exp means exponential. Exponential of 9. 81. So you can go through this, and power means square root. Not like that. I want to find 12 power 10 or else 12 power 8. So what I'm going to do is, well, first, then I should give power. This is the value. Okay, this is the way how we can use different things, different members accessed by Python code. And we are going to do one more thing: import random module. This will be a little bit interesting. Import random. Random is available. Now directory of random. What are the methods available in random module? We can check that. Oh, we have multiple. Okay, let's do one password generator now. Okay, random password, OTP, right? You know OTP. Okay, that will be generated now. And after that, we will take break and we will do one game type, number guessing type. Then we will close our session and we can practice more. For example, OTP equal to, we need to access random. So in this, we are going to do as RD. Now I've just aliased with random module with RD dot random int. So range is random int. Yes. So random integers from where to where? First 1 to 10. You have to represent only one random value. First, let me execute RD directory always and OTP it is generated. Now I'm going to print OTP 7. Now once again I want to print this one. Now 8. Now 4. Now instead of this, let's take 5 digits. 5 digits starts from where? From where it will start? 1 1 1 1. End 999. Okay, right. Now let me execute this one and OTP 40172 is the OTP. If I use 0 from 0, then it may take 1 or 2 digits also. That's the reason I have taken. See, 83764 fine. There are some cases. Okay, nice. Okay, now it's working fine, but in some cases it shows only a single number. All are random numbers. You can check that. Oh, all are working with 5 digits. But why? 162420. Now we need to give some space like this. 6 2 4 1 6 0. Like that we'll receive from Google, right? How can we do that? How can we change like this? Simply let's change this OTP as string so that we can split that. OTP. Okay, let me change that. Now 6213. Let's add. Let's save this one with another one OTP one, and let's split this one. OTP 1 dot split. This is string manipulation, right? OTP 1. Okay. Now, instead of that, let me print once again. Instead of that, we can do like this. Okay. Now, for I in OTP1 print I separator equal to some space. Take some space. Check end. Yes, we got this one. Means what I have done is simply I have taken this OTP. We cannot split the number, right? If I want to split the number, it will throw the error. That's the reason what I'm going to do is just I want to convert that into string. Now we can split that one. Okay. After, for example, I have taken 62153, right? 62153. Now I cannot split because of its integer number. Now what I'm going to do is just I want to convert into string. Now for I in opt, I is will be accessed for each and every element. Okay. First it takes 6 value. It prints 6, and at the end it must give some space. It gives some space. Next to 2 space 1 space. Instead of that, if I want to take star, no, I don't want to space like this. I want to take like star. Let me put star. See, even I have designed one Christmas tree also, but I haven't shown you that. You can check. Now we need only space. Now I want to generate one more number. So that I want to execute at a time. Now 7732. Again, I want to execute 98732. All these are the random OTPs. 45514. 78517. 41194. Right? You can check that. Okay. Let's take a break. Then we'll create one game. Then we'll close that. Okay. 7:45, 44 now. By 7:50, we'll start the class and we'll do one random game. That is number guessing game. Then we'll close that. Right.